What is the purpose of mixer screws in a LP furnace conversion kit?
Did you check the furnace's filters?
Yes.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
What are the mixer screws used for?
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is Allow me a few moments while I do some research. My recommendation will appear shortly. Here is a link to help explain what and how the mixer screws are used depending on the type of system you may have. See page 4. Basically, these screws help to fine-tune air being mixed with the type of fuel for better burning. https://fotsdirect.com/hvac/pdf/nabio1001lp install.pdf.
I am curious. I have not installed the mixer screws yet. Would this prevent the fourth orifice from getting gas to the burner?
It shouldn't unless the orifice holes are too small. However, you should get some type of flame, even if very small due to low pressure. These type of conversion kits are not the best, do work if done correctly. Drilling out orifices is not the most accurate or consistent way to ensure even gas flow.
I notice the fourth port doesn't ignite unless I put my finger in front of the orifice. So I'm just trying to understand the mixer screw's main purpose.
If you have to place your finger to block the gas so it will ignite, it is either too much gas pressure or not enough air being allowed to mix with the fuel. What happens if you remove the mixer screw?
The fourth gas port will not ignite.
Possibly the orifice hole is too small or the fuel pressure is not equal between all ports.
I'm showing 11 of gas pressure when it tries to light, but since it doesn't ignite the fourth port, the flame-proofing probe is not made, causing the valve to shut off gas pressure. What would make the fuel pressure not equal on all ports?
Understand, unfortunately I am not there to observe what is actually going on and where to make adjustments. Clearly something is not balanced correctly.
I'm thinking that is what the mixer screws do.
Over or undersized holes in the orifices will cause a balance issue, especially with propane since it is under higher pressure than nat gas. Yes, the mixer screws can also be restricting, usually restricting, or letting too much air into the tube and venting the fuel, making it non-combustible.
It almost acts as if there's not enough gas to supply the fourth port, so tomorrow I'll install the mixer screws and hopefully that will make a difference, cause once it ignites it stays ignited.
Sounds good, and hopefully that will resolve the issue. I recommend taking your time installing the screws to prevent any errors during installation, since once the holes are drilled, there is no correcting mistakes.
I'm sure the manufacturer put the screws in the box for a reason, just trying to 100% understand what the screws' purpose are.
Thank you very much for doing this and enjoy the rest of your day. Dave. Best, Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.